Good morning, YouTube. It's the Wheeze, and I'm doing my morning exercises. And just for you, I am not doing them in the nude today. So, anyway, what I'm working on is tightening up my waist, basically, and I'm losing weight. I'm trying to lose weight, and I am losing weight. And I lost too much weight from my neck, unfortunately, so I have to do the lizard thing. I guess I should do the lizard thing with a tongue. Anyway, here's my morning routine. I'm not going to show it all on this video because it will take too long, but I usually start with the tougher one, which is the bending over and touching the ankles. I can't quite make it to touching my toes without bending my knees anyway. So I do 100 of these. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. You get the picture. Then I do 100 of these. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. This one is supposed to be done with a pole or a broomstick, but I just figure I can just keep my arms straight. This one, I don't think I invented it, but I kind of came up with it for myself, and I really feel it when I stretch in here. So I know it's doing some good, and I do 100 of these as well. And it's a reach and grab like this. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. 100 of those each side. And then I do the silly twerking thing. I don't know if it does any good or not, but I'm kind of trying to build up my derriere as well. So it goes something like this. Oh, and I'm also trying to get rid of the flab under my arms, and I don't know if this is doing any good. I want to do that without giving me a big back muscles. So here's what I do. 1, should do this slow. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 100 of those as well. And then this other tough one to tighten up my stomach. Let me see, I tilt this down and see if I can pick it up here. Can you see me? Yes, yes. Okay. I start with sit-ups. Start with sit-ups. I try to do, I'm up to 25 now. That's not a lot, I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I don't do it on each side, so it's 1 complete, 2 complete, like that. And what I do 100 repetitions, but of various things. I'll do maybe 25 sit-ups, and then I'll do 10 leg lifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I will alternate that with 10 leg lifts, bend knees, and push out like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I think I've been making progress. So I'm actually now going to do these for real in my standing mirror here.